Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube tutorial channel. Today I'll be discussing about how to disable Windows animation. Sometimes it is to consume our battery charge, so at least someone has to know how to disable it in the system. So the first thing that we need to do right now is to go and search for window R. If we search for window R, then we write control panel, then we click OK. After you click OK, then we go for system and security. After you click on Windows security, then we click on system. After you click on system, we need to go for advanced system settings. Then you go for settings again. After you click on that, so as you can see here, this is the recommended settings that everyone has to keep a system on, that is custom. This custom will allow you to put anything that you want as your animation, but this is the one at the top. Let Windows choose what best for you. For my computer, it won't let you do all the shit that you want to do on your own animation. So the best thing that you need to do right now is to let it be at this custom. If you let it be at that, then you apply on apply, then you click OK. After you click OK, that is all. You have already changed the settings. Thank you very much for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.